Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, which name is Analytics Pro. And as you know guys, here under this advanced concept playlist, we are just gonna cover advanced concepts of Power BI in detail. And in the previous tutorial guys, we have studied about personal bookmarks versus report bookmarks. I hope you guys are cleared with the difference of personal bookmarks and report bookmarks. And now in today's tutorial, we are going to cover one more advanced concept of Power BI, which name is granularity. I hope you guys have heard about cardinality, where we are creating some relationship between the table like one to many, many to many and so on. But you have not heard about granularity. So here under this today's tutorial, we will talk about just granularity and we make our analytical knowledge more stronger. So let's begin our class. And now guys, let's understand the definition of granularity. In Power BI, data granularity refers to the level of detail or precision of the data that is used in a report or analysis. Power BI allows users to work with data at different level of granularity depending on the needs of the analysis. And one more important point guys, higher the aggregations, granularity will be less, and the lower the aggregation, granularity will be more. Aggregation and granularity works in opposite direction. And now let's understand this thing with practical. So let's go to the Power BI screen, and here we guys can see I have taken one table visual from this visualization pane, and here we have this sales table. So to understand this granularity concept guys, I will take this order date column. So let's suppose guys I want to see year specific data. So what I'll do, I will simply select this column and drag and drop here under this table visual. So the moment I select this column guys, I can see the date hierarchy. So what I'll do guys, I just only want to see specific year of data. So I simply remove this day from here, month and quarter, and now I can only see the years. And now guys, I will simply select this sales column and drop here under this table visual. So here we guys can see the year wise sale, and here aggregation level is too high and the granularity is too less. We can only see few specific data points. And the same point I have explained here under this PDF. Higher the aggregation, granularity will be less. That means we can see only specific data points. And now guys, let's back to Power BI desktop screen. And let's suppose guys, this time we want to see the data of quarter wise. So I will simply remove this order date column from here. And again I will take same order date column. And this time I will remove this year, month and day. And now we guys can see the moment I added another level of hierarchy, which is quarter, then the number of rows has increased and sum of values of aggregation become less. So aggregation has reduced and number of rows increased. So if you guys again wants to increase the more granularity and reduce the level of aggregation, then you can add more hierarchical level of data and reduce the aggregations. And now guys, what I'll do, I want to see the month wise data. So what can I do? I will simply remove this order date and add this order date column again. And this time I will remove year, day and quarter. So again we guys can see the aggregation level has decreased and the granularity has increased. That means we can see more data points here under this table visual. And now let's check with this next point of this PPT. So the lower the aggregation, granularity will be more. So in our case, here granularity will be more and the aggregation will be less. So in this way, if you add more columns here, let's say I am taking this country. So see guys, here aggregation level become more less and our granularity will be more. So this concept is known as granularity in Power BI. So I hope you guys are good understanding with this concept. So for such kind of detailed learning and advanced learning, stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And those who are new to this channel, kindly hit the like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. And please share this channel in your network with your family and friends who really wants to learn this analytical skill like Power BI and SQL from scratch. And if someone wants to learn Power BI or SQL from scratch, so with the help of this free YouTube channel guys, which name is Analytics Pro, you guys can easily learn Power BI and SQL from scratch. So with the help of this 50 tutorials, you guys can learn free Power BI from scratch. And if you click here on this playlist button guys, you guys can see multiple playlists are here like DEX expression, advanced concept, visualization, updates, Power BI full course. And with the help of this Power BI with the SQL playlist, you guys can also learn SQL from scratch. So you guys can take advantage of this playlist and upgrade yourself in analytical field, and which is free of cost. You just only need to invest your time, that's it. And for the job seekers guys, we have this Telegram group where I'm keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening, as well as you will also find some latest interview question and answers. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone for jobs and trainings. But we also conduct paid training sessions where we also train candidates from scratch till advanced level with real-time projects and scenarios. So those who are coming from the different backgrounds and they wants to take only live and personal sessions, so you guys can connect me on LinkedIn or Telegram channel. All the links I will given here under this description box. You guys can follow us there. And we also have this Insta account, so you guys can also follow us here. So thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning and keep growing.